Hey everyone, here's a question from the chapter called Other Side of Zero, which is 10th chapter of class 6, which is based on new syllabus. And here I'm doing second figure it out. The question is, evaluate this expression by thinking of them as a resulting movement of combining button presses. What is this question means? To understand this, you have to check the small explanation which is given above this figure it out, or we can say the first figure it out. So I'll explain the scenario and then we can find these answers. So here there is a building, it's called Bella's Building of Fun, where there are floors above the ground and below the ground. So based on this, these floors are marked. The welcome hall will be a 0 because it's an entrance, and all the floors which are above the ground will be with a positive sign. So the food court, it's in first floor, so we'll mark it with +1. So the floor number and the number we're marking, it will be same. Like a art center is in second floor and it is above the ground, so it will be +2. And the books will be +3, ice cream is +4, sports is +5, and space is +6. Similarly, the floors which are below the ground will mark it with negative sign because they are below. So toys will be -1 because it's a first floor just below the ground. And then we have video games, it is second floor below the ground, so -2. Then we have -3, -4 and -5, right? Now, what is this combining button presses? So if you look at the first figure it out, there is one activity or the explanation where you had a starting floor and there was a movement and then you get the final floor, like where you are reaching it, right? There the starting floor is the floor where you are starting from, and the movement is how many floors you're going up or down, that is how many times you press the button. So that was a scenario in the first figure it out. In second one, there is a no starting floor, they are just combination of two button presses. That means you are pressing the button 2 times. You have a 2 movements. So in the first figure it out, again I'm explaining it, this is same concept but different scenario. You had a starting point and then you had a movements. Movements means how many floors you're going up or down, and the starting point will be the which floor you're starting from. It could be +3 or +2 or -3, the starting floor, and then based on that you will get your final result, which is which floor you will reach it. In this case, we have a combination of 2 movements, like how many times, like 2 times you're combining you are pressing the button 2 times, the first time and second time. So what floor you will reach, that is what this question is about. So let's look at the first one. We have +1 plus +4. What does this mean? This means that suppose you are at this starting, that is the welcome hall, which is your ground floor. This is your starting point. From there you pressed +1, which means you will go up 1 floor. Plus means you're going up. If it is minus, you're going down. Then plus, you're going 4 floors again up, +4, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Where did you reach? You reached the 5th floor. It's +5. So your answer will be +5. That's it. The next one, we have +4 plus +1. +4 means this is your starting point, welcome hall. From there you pressed 4 times, that is plus sign you pressed 4 times, so we can say +4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you are at ice cream, which is 4th floor, and again you pressed +1, which means you're going again 1 floor up, which is +5. So you reached 5th floor. Now we have a 3 here, 3 numbers. So 3 times you're pressing the button. So let me erase this and again we'll do it. So this is your starting point, welcome hall, and you press +4. This means you are going 4 floors up. Now you are at ice cream, that is 4th floor. And then you pressed -3. -3 means you're coming down, you're going down 3 floors. So it will be 1, 2, 3. Now you are at here, food court, which is your 1st floor. And again you pressed -2. This means you're going 2 floors down again. So 1, 2. So now you are at toys, which is -1, 1 floor below the ground. So your final result will be -1. Then last question. I hope it is clear how to solve this. we have -1. So we'll start from welcome hall, then you're going 1 floor down. So it is -1. Then you press +2, which means you're going 2 floors up. So from here you have to go 2 floors up, 1, 2. So now you are here, food court. And then you pressed -3. This means you're going 3 floors down again. So from here 3 floors, so 1, 2, 3. You will be at video games, which is second floor below the ground, which is -2. Therefore, your final floor where you will reach will be -2. So that's it. This is how you have to solve it. I hope this question is clear. If you have any question or doubts, you can drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching.